So these are the logical operators. There are 4 logical operators: and, or, nor, and not. We are already completed and, or, and nor. This is the last operator, that is not. We are yet to complete. We are completing right now. The syntax for not: there's a field name, curly bracket open here, curly bracket closes here, then we have the field, then curly bracket open, then we have $not with a colon here, then curly bracket open and the operator expression. Curly bracket closes and the curly bracket closes for the not operator. This is the syntax for not operator. So we have already completed the logical operators. We are in the last operator. We already completed add, and, or, not, and nor. We are now to complete not. How to use not logical operator? Not logical operator is to negate a particular condition. The query will negate the condition and will show the records accordingly. To understand it, let's go to an example. We'll go to the notepad. Here is the notepad, db.emp.find, and this is our query, which is blank, and this is our projection, which will display the number of columns what has been mentioned here. Let's copy this. As we know, the find has two operators, two parameters. One is the query and another one is the projection. You should remember this. So let's copy this and paste it here. Press enter. So this will show you all the records, that is 20 records, and it's displaying only the name, age, department number and the salary. Now let's put the query here for the not. Okay, so let's go to the notepad and we'll make some query. Here if I say age is less than 28, means will display all the documents where the age is less than 28, right? So how to do that? Age colon not less than, right? So there's a curly bracket here, then we say dollar less than colon 28. So this means show me all the documents with the fields like name, age, department number and salary. But the condition is that the age should be less than 28. Okay, this is a simple query which shows you all the documents whose age is less than 28. So copy this, right click and press enter. So here are the ages. The age is less than 28. See, all the ages are less than 28 here. 25, 27, 25, 27, 26. Okay, so here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 records has been displayed with the following columns, what has been mentioned here in the projection. Okay, so here the ages are less than 28. But what is the opposite of this? Not, that means greater than, or say not equivalent to less than 88. So in that case, we are going to the notepad here and simply we are adding a not here. Okay, not is a logical operator. Okay, so that must be also in a curly bracket. So we say not dollar not, okay, colon, and then we have the curly bracket open, curly bracket curly bracket open and we have a curly bracket close here. Okay, now it's correct. I think this is the first curly bracket, this is the second curly bracket, and this is the third curly bracket. Okay, so the first one is, previously it was age which should be less than 28. Okay, now I said not of this. Not means condition should be negated by saying not. When you say not of less than 28, not less than 28 means it should be 29 onwards, anything, any number, okay, any age that is not less than 28. Not means not less than 28. So let's copy this. It's not copied. Control C, Alt Tab, right click. Again, it's not copied. Right click, copy. Okay, so it has been pasted here and press enter. So now this is not, previously it was less than 28, this was less than 28, right? Now this will be greater than 28. See, 29, 37, 35, right? These all are greater than 28. See, this 28 is not equivalent to, okay, is greater than 28. Here the command was less than 28, that means up to 27. Here it is 28, that means greater than 27. So 28 onwards anything will do. So here all the ages will be greater than 27. Okay, so negative of this particular condition it is showing here. Let us take one more example. I'll remove, so this time it should be salary, say salary. If I remove this, okay, 1 2 1 2, right? So the condition is salary less than, not less than, we'll say okay, less than 3,000. Okay, less than 3,000. So all the salaries in the all the documents which are having salary less than 3,000 means up to 2,900 will do, right? Less than 3,000 means, but not 3,000. Okay, so all these salaries or all the documents will be displayed whose salary is less than 3,000 but not 3,000. So let's see, Control C, and we go to here and we say right click, not copied, okay, now it's copied and pasted here and press enter. So there are only 2 employees or 2 documents, that is 5 and 16, whose age is 25 and 34. So age is not a problem here. The problem is salary. The salary should be less than 3,000. So it is 3,000, less than 3,000 is 2,000 and 2,000. Correct? So now the opposite of this will add a not here. If you want to negate this condition, the negative of this particular condition, that is not of this particular condition, will add a not here and negate this particular condition. So let's go to the notepad and we'll say add here not. So we say dollar not, N-O-T, not. Okay, not, and this condition has to be, this is the condition. Okay, before we say is okay, so we'll say curly bracket not colon, right? Here will be dollar not, and we have one more curly bracket here. So this was the condition before, okay, and we are negating it by the not, dollar not, okay. So this condition will be negated. So salary was previously less than 3000, now the salary will be not equal to less than 3000. Not equal to less than 3000 means other than all the salaries greater than 3000, all the salaries greater than 3000. Greater than 3000 means here less than anything, even here less than equal to is less than equal to is not given, so greater than sorry, less than 3000, not less than 3000. So let's say copy, go to shell and we paste it. So it is not copied here properly. We go there and say copy and paste. Okay, now press enter. So now this is all the documents whose salary is greater than 3000. See, 3000 equal to 3000 is also come, okay, because that was not less than equal to, it was less than only, so less than equal to, this is greater than equal to, okay. So now it is 6000, 5000, 3000, okay, all are greater than equal to 3000, okay. So there is no 2000 here, these two records are not there. So you are actually saying that we want all the records other than these two records, okay, fine. Let's take one more example. When you say department number, see, department number, going to remove this condition here. So now it says that all the department number DNO is, let's say, equal to EQ equal to 30. So list all the employees or the documents whose department number is equivalent to 30. So it lists all the documents whose document or the department number is equivalent to 30. So let's copy this and paste here. Enter. So there are 4 records whose department number is equivalent to 30, 30, 30, 30, because we have said department number is equivalent to 30, right? Let's negate this condition, or let's negate this query. So how to negate this query? We have to just add not, curly bracket open, we say dollar not, N-O-T, dollar N-O-T, okay, and colon, and this condition we are saying not, the condition closes here. So this is the opposite of this condition, means equal to 30, now is not equal to 30. So not equal to 30, that may be 40, maybe 10, maybe 20, right, anything, but not 30. Let's see. So let's copy this from here, Control C, and we say right click, okay. So not equivalent to 30, not equivalent to 30 means maybe 20, maybe 10, okay, maybe 40, anything other than 30. So here the department number is 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20, 40 is also there, 40, but there is no 30 is there. So except 30, all the other records has been listed. So not is used for negating a particular condition. Not is used for negating a particular condition here. Thanks for watching.